Hi, I'm Scott with Perfect Paver, your paver repair expert. And today, we're going to talk about why you need to continue to re-glue your pavers and what can be done to prevent this in the future. The customer contacted us and reached out to us due to the fact that their pavers, their edge pavers, are loose everywhere. They're falling all off. There's all kinds of issues there. It's a major problem. You see when you walk, you step, whoa, and you fall. So they're like, what can we do? I was able to come out here, take a look at things. We diagnosed multiple issues. Number one problem, poor footer. The steps have settled. With a poor footer, that means things shift. And when things shift, that breaks these bonds. The glue cannot stay bonded, okay? And so, therefore, we need to come up with a resolution. The other issue is, as you can see here, these pavers come right out, and it's crazy. The contractor who originally installed these pavers, they only were able to glue to a little thin paver like that, and behind it, they put just gravel and dirt. And they glued the paver to gravel and dirt. Well, how's that gonna work? I don't know, but that's what they did. So, the resolution here is we're gonna pull this out. We're gonna pour individual concrete steps and re-adhere the pavers to concrete. The concrete will be anchored to the home to prevent any future settling. And the customer has elected to replace these pavers with a newer type coping to give it a more finished step look. As you can see, the steps were rebuilt exactly how we said they would be, and they're built to last. This customer is thrilled with the outcome, and we did everything we said we were going to do. Until next time, I'm Scott with Perfect Paver Co.